Hello and welcome to Linkmerica. Today, we'll discuss what cryptocurrency staking is and how it works. Before you begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. What is crypto staking? Crypto staking is a method of generating passive income by employing certain cryptocurrencies to assist in the verification of transactions on a blockchain network. Staking is not the same as crypto mining, but both can generate higher returns than a traditional savings account. It helps to have a fundamental understanding of what blockchain networks operate in order to comprehend it. Here are some important details to be aware of. Now, before moving ahead, get free $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up with BlockFi using the link in the description. Blockchains are decentralized, which means there's no central authority such as a bank to validate new activity and ensure it matches a historical record kept by computers across the network. Staking is a method of avoiding fraud and mistakes in the process. Users who submit a new block or vote to approve a proposed block risk part of their own money, incentivizing them to follow the rules. In general, the higher the stakes, the better the chances of a user collecting transaction fee incentives. However, if a user's proposed block is revealed to be erroneous, they may lose some of their stake in the process known as slashing. Which cryptocurrencies allow staking? Staking is currently available in a variety of prominent cryptocurrencies. Staking may be possible if a cryptocurrency is linked to a proof-of-stake blockchain that implements the aforementioned incentive mechanism. Staking, on the other hand, differs from blockchain to blockchain, and some crypto assets are more likely to be supported by staking features on big cryptocurrency exchanges, making the procedure more straightforward. Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the United States, currently turns on staking for most customers holding Algo, the Algorand blockchain's native currency, on their platform. This, according to Coinbase, can offer consumers a 4% annual percentage yield. Ether, or ETH, is the largest crypto asset that allows staking. It is the Ethereum network's native token and the second largest crypto asset by market value. Solana and Cardano are two more notable cryptocurrency networks that offer staking. How do you stake cryptocurrency? Depending on how much technical, financial, and research effort you're ready to put in, there are various ways to begin staking cryptocurrencies. The first option you'll have to make is whether you want to validate transactions on your own computer or delegate your Bitcoin to someone who can handle it for you. People who hold tokens can often supply them for other users to use in validating transactions on networks that support crypto staking, earning a percentage of the profits. Using an exchange. The simplest way is to have your token staked for you by an online operator. Staking is available on some popular cryptocurrency exchanges in exchange for a fee. Using the resources supplied by an exchange is generally preferable for most investors. Binance.us, Coinbase, and eToro are the three crypto exchanges that allow staking for at least certain crypto assets. Joining a pool. You can join a staking pool run by another user if you don't want to trust an exchange to make your staking decisions for you, or if you can't locate one that supports the token you want to stake. To connect your tokens with the validator's pool, you'll most likely need to know how to use a crypto wallet. What kind of returns does staking offer? Staking payouts vary depending on the coin. Factors such as demand on the blockchain network and issue and manner. Exchange rates, on the other hand, provide some indication into what to expect. In late January 2022, the Binance US, for example, estimated that annual payouts for staking Algo would range from 4.5 to 6.5%. Algo had a 4% annual percentage yield on Coinbase, whereas Ether had a 4.5% annual percentage yield. This concludes today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know what you think in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates.